Hello fam, it's been so long. I must tell you, it's almost 1.5 months that I have not sat down to film a single video. Though you have been seeing videos on my channel which were pre-filmed and pre-decided which dates they will go. So that is all sorted, but अब ना हमारे पास कुछ बचा है post करने के लिए, so I thought why not now get back to my usual routine of filming, editing and communicating with you guys and answering your questions, because oh my god, there are so many questions and I have been completely missing from my Instagram as well as YouTube. So sorry, apologies, because yes, it takes a lot of time to make that fan base and suddenly you just vanish. I have not done that, but this is the first time it just happened. You will know everything in the later part of the video. So I hope you enjoy watching today's video. You will see some new products in action, where I was, what happened. My father met with an accident, my sister-in-law came to India. A lot happened, so do watch the video till the end. And yes, some verified also happened. So I guess in my YouTube journey, this was the longest break I have taken from filming, and I wanted to sit down, chat with you guys, talk about a lot of things which happened in past 1.5-2 months. काफ़ी कुछ हुआ, काफ़ी कुछ अच्छा भी हुआ, काफ़ी कुछ अच्छा नहीं भी हुआ, but we came out of it. And yes, it was such a roller coaster time for me as well, because काफ़ी occupied हो गई मैं, बहुत busy भी थी, and there was no time there where I could have looked down onto my makeup basket or skincare, though I was buying here and there, and काफ़ी कुछ मैंने खरीदा Black Friday में भी. So you will see a complete haul as well, which I am planning to film. So yes, that is coming soon. तो चलिए थोड़ी बहुत बातें भी कर लेंगे, and I'll apply some makeup, and simultaneously I can show you some of the new makeup products which you will see in the haul as well. So let's get started with the base. Now do let me know about the lighting situation, because I have added a new light. Though I've removed the ring light completely and any other sort of light, it is one light which I'm using, and after searching a lot I felt this was the perfect lighting I could get, and I'm really liking the footage as of now. So कुछ products पुराने हैं, तो उनके links, कुछ चीज़ें आपको स्क्रीन पे मिलेंगी. मे भी बात करते करते मैं भूल जाऊँ आपको प्रोडक्ट बताना या दिखाना, बट विल गो स्टेप बाय स्टेप. सो विंटर स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं, स्किन ड्राई हो रही है, सो आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा प्रेप टुडे. तो मैंने कलर बार वाला वाटर बाउंड लगा लिया है. वाई सच अ लॉन्ग ब्रेक? बिकॉज अगर आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करते हो तो आपको पता होगा कि मैं अपने घर गई थी छुट्टी बिताने बनारस, ऑलमोस्ट फॉर 3.5 weeks, which got extended further to a week because of some unforeseen circumstances and something which we were really upset and we were really worried. So yes, that happened. Let me grab another product and then simultaneously we'll talk. So as I said कि आज थोड़ा prep work ज़्यादा करेंगे, तो I'm going to be using 2 primers. First up, I'm going to use a little bit of K Beauty, and then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. So छुट्टी बहुत अच्छी थी. My brother surprised me, basically surprised all of us. तो मैं 2nd October को घर पहुंची, and 5th October he was in India. We had a really nice time, and करवा चौथ आने ही वाली थी, and I was all happy. All was going good, and one day my brother and my father had to go to Banaras for some work, and वहाँ से आते वक्त basically my father and my brother met with an accident on the highway, जिसमें कि मेरे father को काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम हो गई. His shoulder was dislocated, left side shoulder, then he had some fractures here, and he couldn't do anything after that, and he got a shock basically. तो उस शॉक में he was not able to respond. He was not, हमें एक पॉइंट पे ये भी लगा that he's not even recognizing us for some minutes, and he didn't even remember what happened at that point of time. And today also हम जब उनसे पूछते हैं तो वो कहते हैं कि he doesn't remember what exactly happened, how he fell off, कैसे हुआ, तो he doesn't remember any of those things. Then he came home, उनको हॉस्पिटल ले गए, मतलब होम नहीं, होम बस जस्ट नीचे घर के आए. My brother got him because he was not responding properly. So my brother wanted कि एक बार वो हमें देख लेंगे तो maybe he'll start responding. I think it worked. ये सब बहुत suddenly हो गए. So like your mind has to be very quick in figuring out what's next, what next. ऐसे ही हो जाता है. तो उस दिन भी ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ एंड ही देन वेंट टू द हॉस्पिटल में डॉक्टर ने चेक किया इंस्टेंटली एंड उनको बैंडेज लगाए. देन ही वाज टेकन, घर पे आए एंड आफ्टर दैट देयर वाज लाइक टू मेनी पीपल विजिटिंग. वी गॉट रियली बिजी एंड देन वी वर वरीड ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम बिकॉज वी वर लाइक कि कुछ अंदर मेजर इंजरीज नहीं हुई हों. अभी recently after a month his whole bandage and everything has come off, but डॉक्टर ने कहा है कि अभी भी he cannot just what do you say heavy चीज़ें या ज़्यादा लिफ्टिंग वाले काम नहीं कर सकते वो. he has to be very careful with his left side of the hand, left side of the body. and फिर मैं आ गई दिल्ली. I couldn't stay more because my brother was there and I had other commitments here, so I had to come back to Delhi. दिवाली के लिए मैं आई. I had to do a lot of cleaning. मतलब आप समझ सकते हो कि इंडियन घरों में दिवाली में कितनी क्लीनिंग हो जाती है. इट्स लाइक फुल डीप क्लीनिंग ऑफ योर हाउस एंड ये सारा डीप क्लीनिंग मुझे 3 दिन में करना था एंड आई वॉज लाइक सुपर बिजी. तो basically there was no laptop opening, editing, all this was nowhere around me after my father met with that accident. उसके बाद तो I got super busy. उसके बाद then मैं आई, हमने दिवाली स्पेंड की. उसके बाद after 2 days I left for भुवनेश्वर because my sister-in-law had come from US. वो US में रहते हैं. So after their child was born, उसका बर्थडे भी आ रहा था. his birthday and my husband's birthday is on the same day and they both are Scorpions. so why, so we had gone to Bhubaneswar. then I had to travel again. मैं भुवनेश्वर गई, वहाँ पे हमने 10 days बिताए and then I came back to Delhi with my sister-in-law together. We all came together because further their flight was from Delhi to US and so we were very busy, like very busy. and then like if you have been following me, आपको पता है कि कुछ महीनों पहले even my father-in-law was sick and उनको भी हार्ट सर्जरी हुई थी and he was also not feeling well and keeping well and he came back to India. so फिर उनके कुछ मेडिकल चेकअप्स होने थे. देन अगेन सम स्ट्रेसिंग न्यूज़ दैट थिंग्स आर नॉट प्रीटी गुड इनसाइड द बॉडी. बाहर हमें बहुत कुछ अच्छा लगता है, हमें लगता है वी आर परफेक्टली फाइन, सब कुछ सही चल रहा है, बट एग्जैक्टली बॉडी में बहुत कुछ चल रहा होता है अंदर विच वी हैपन टू निगलेक्ट. सो यस, फिर वो सब हुआ बट नाउ थिंग्स आर लाइक गोइंग बैक टू नॉर्मल. चीज़ें सेटल हो रही हैं, चीज़ें ठीक से हो रही हैं. So we came out of all this, we celebrated Diwali, we celebrated 2 birthdays and we had a good time with my sister-in-law and her husband and kid and we had a really nice family time as well. So ये सब हुआ पिछले 2 महीनों में I would say and now they left. So today I got time. I thought why not just sit down and do this chit chatty video and talk to you guys. Next let's try a new product also while talking. is this Rene lip and cheek tint. अगर आपने मेरी anti haul का wish list video देखी है तो you know that this product was on my wish list, so I thought let me grab it, use it and show you guys how it performs. though I will be using it for the first time तो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता ये चलता कैसा काम करता है, but it looks really nice. it looks very buttery, very smooth है ये. so just gonna use it because foundation के बाद you can use a product like this because एक बार powder product लग जाएंगे तो फिर you cannot put this product. So I'm gonna put it on my high points of my face. I've been using a lot of cream blushes nowadays. Like मैं cream blushes ही ज़्यादा use करती हूँ. They stay longer और बहुत easy होता है. It's like easy to use, messy नहीं होता और अच्छे से लग जाता है. आपको बहुत natural, flushy touch देता है वो. You can see that how nice it looks. थोड़ा सा और लगाएंगे. I've gone for a very neutral coverage today because I'm wearing makeup after a very long time. मैंने पहना था बीच में 1-2 बार मेकअप, जैसे बर्थडे के लिए पहना था और मैं कहीं बाहर गई थी तब मैंने पहना था. So पहना है मेकअप but not like regular makeup. And I was wearing a lot of cheating. मैंने जैसे डॉटर अर्थ का cheating बहुत पहना, बहुत ही ज़्यादा. like I really like it. थोड़ा सा नोज पे भी लगा लेंगे बिकॉज वेदर बहुत सुपर ड्राई है तो आई एम ट्राइंग टू कीप माई मेकअप एज wet as I can. See that how nicely it just applies. I like my nose though. So I really like the formula. Spread बहुत अच्छे से हो गया, बहुत ही evenly blend भी हो गया. Okay, next question बहुत लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा and thank you for asking and showing so much of concern that how is your father doing? Is he recovering? So अभी उनकी condition बहुत अच्छी है, पहले से better है and he is recovering. And yes, he cannot do a lot of things by himself. Like he cannot lift a lot of heavy products in the house. Like heavy चीज़ें नहीं उठा सकते, but he can definitely eat his own food, do his jobs. वो भी नहीं हो पा रहा था. So he is definitely in a better state now. Next I'm going to be using a new bronzer. So this is Kiko Milano का bronzer जो मैंने बहुत पहले आपको हॉल में दिखाया है, but I don't remember showing you in action. दो मैंने इसे काफ़ी बार यूज़ कर लिया है ऑलरेडी, तो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा ये ब्राउन्जर. जब मैंने ये ब्राउन्जर खरीदा था, रिमेंबर देयर वर 6 शेड्स बट आई थिंक नाउ देयर आर ओनली 4 शेड्स. करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, बट इसमें 4 शेड्स हैं. ये बहुत अच्छा मैच है मेरे लिए. ये है शेड 06. तो टुडे विल यूज़ दिस ब्राउन्जर. आई जस्ट होप कि आज की फुटेज अच्छी हो बिकॉज यू फिल्मिंग इन अ न्यू लाइटिंग. आई रियली डोंट नो हाउ इट इज़ एंड ज़्यादा सनलाइट है नहीं तो. Oh wow, this bronzer is really nice. I really like it. बहुत soft touch देता है, बिल्कुल harshness नहीं है. हाँ, next और क्या क्या पूछा आप लोगों ने मुझसे. ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन मुझे फिर कुछ न्यू लॉन्चेस पे भी आ रहे थे कि have you tried this and have you tried, and frankly speaking I'll tell you इतने लॉन्चेस हुए इस टाइमिंग में कि मुझे ट्रैक I didn't knew कि ये लॉन्च हो गया. मतलब I was so clueless because there was this time when I was not even seeing Nykaa. There was दो time that I was seeing my Instagram भी नहीं देख रही थी मैं. और आपको पता है I've been missing from my Instagram from a very long time. And clearly it बहुत मैटर करता है जब आप एक सोशल हैंडल पे फॉलोइंग या फैन बेस बनाओ एंड देन यू आर कम्प्लीटली मिसिंग. आई टोटली अंडरस्टैंड. फिर रिलेटेबल नहीं लगता. मुझे ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है अभी कि आई एम डेफिनेटली मिसिंग इंस्टाग्राम एंड एवरीथिंग. मुझे लगता है मुझे ब्राउन्जर लगाना बंद कर दीजिए. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग ओवर द टॉप. इट्स अ गुड ब्राउन्जर. अगर आपको इंटरेस्ट है तो आप ले लो. बहुत से सेल्स आ रहे हैं. ब्लैक फ्राइडे भी आके गई and there will be more sales, so you don't worry, you will get too many options, too many opportunities to buy these products. So keep it in your wish list. अगर आपने मेरी वो wish list वाली वीडियो नहीं देखी है जो 3 वीडियोस मैंने डाली थी नायका पे, do watch it, again watch it. नेक्स्ट अप आज हम हाईलाइट के लिए ये पैलेट यूज़ करेंगे माई ग्लैम का चिज़ल इट. दो मैं ये पैलेट ऑलरेडी यूज़ कर रही हूँ एंड आई लाइक इट. इसका हाईलाइटर बहुत ही फाइन है, बहुत ही लाइक you just need like a touch and the product comes. There's a lot of product, so थोड़ा सा highlight भी करेंगे. It's very skin like, बहुत ही fine highlighter ये, मतलब it's the finest. It's like your powder highlighter in a pan form. You see that? बहुत ही अच्छा glow देता है highlighter. I really like the finish of this highlighter. Even the bronzer and the blush which you see in the palette is really good. I'm glowing like a goddess. Let's stop it here. Okay, next I'm going to be using a little more blush I feel from the same palette. थोड़ा सा amp up करने के लिए. वैसे बहुत ब्लश है मेरे cheeks पे, कैमरा पूरा पिक नहीं करता, बट ये लाइटिंग में बहुत अच्छा पिक किया है मेकअप. So थोड़ा ब्लश और लगा लेते हैं. थोड़ा टेक्निक आई हैव चेंज ऑन माई मेकअप, थोड़ा सा. इट्स वेरी लाइट, इट्स नॉट गोना ऐड टू मच ऑफ कलर. देयर यू गो. let me just zoom you in. मैं eyebrows करके zoom in करके I'll show you a little eye makeup and then we'll talk more further. Okay guys, so I finished my eyebrows off camera because eyebrow के लिए new product था भी नहीं and I thought let me just save a little time here. तो मैंने मार्स की eyebrow pencil यूज़ की है, मार्स कॉस्मेटिक की. अगर मेरी मार्स वाली रिव्यू नहीं देखी तो आप देख लो, उसमें आपको काफ़ी अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स की रिकमेंडेशन भी मिल जाएंगे और काफ़ी प्रोडक्ट्स ऐसे भी हैं जो आपको नहीं लेने चाहिए. तो आज हम यूज़ करेंगे एक नया पैलेट एंड फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग आई डोंट नो इन माय मेकअप जर्नी मैंने ये पैलेट या मैंने इस ब्रांड का पैलेट क्यों नहीं ट्राई किया. मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ द प्राइस पॉइंट, मे बी आई ऑलरेडी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पैलेट्स, दैट इज ऑल्सो वन रीजन. बट व्हेन आई सॉ दिस पैलेट in someone's hand, I was like, I need it. So this is the MAC Cosmetic eyeshadow palette and this is my first ever MAC eyeshadow palette and this is their newest one. जब मैंने ये पैलेट खरीदा तो इसकी प्राइस थी I think 4700 or 4900, I don't remember, but the price has been revamped and now it is for 5200. और मैंने ये पैलेट बहुत अच्छे ऑफर में ली बिकॉज इसके साथ मुझे कुछ फ्री भी मिला, फुल साइज. सो मेरी टोटल वैल्यू थी, मतलब जो प्रोडक्ट्स मुझे मिले वॉज 8500 एंड आई जस्ट हैड टू पे फॉर दिस पैलेट, जिससे मुझे कुछ एडिशनल डिस्काउंट भी मिला. सो आई डिड सेव अ लॉट. चलो अभी पैलेट भी यूज़ कर लेते हैं. So yes, this is something new. I have not used it. This is how the MAC eyeshadow palette looks like. It's such a pretty palette, really nice color story, and the reason of me getting it that I have heard so much good about MAC eyeshadow palettes. तो मुझे लगा यार एक बार try करके देख लेते हैं. So I was like, why not just get it? So I'll just start creating a look because मुझे बिल्कुल दिमाग में नहीं है कि मैं क्या आज मेकअप पहनना चाहती हूँ because as I said I'm in such a nice cool mood और मैं after such a long time filming कर रही थी. I'm like, let's just wear some makeup, maybe try to do a little wintry look. So I'm gonna go in with a nice mid-tone peachy wala shade and we'll just apply it. My expectations are really high from this palette. Yes. Oh my god, the pigmentation is like on point. Okay, so और क्या सवाल पूछे आप लोगों ने मुझसे, जैसे कि a lot of you were asking about certain products to me कि ये कैसा है, have you tried this, have you tried that. Frankly speaking, काफ़ी कुछ आप मेरे हॉल वीडियो में देखोगे जो मैंने लिया है. बाद में जो आपने मुझे रिमाइंडर्स दिए या मुझे भी जो चीज़ें लेनी थी, एंड फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग इस बार मैंने वो चीज़ें ली हैं जो मेरे विश लिस्ट पे थी भी नहीं. मतलब आई डोंट नो, मतलब आई हैव स्पेंट अ लिटिल मोर दिस टाइम. मतलब मैंने थोड़ा हाई एंड पे पैसा खर्च किया है. लाइक आई हैव बॉट लक्स प्रोडक्ट्स but they were not on my wish list. Like some of things like this palette was not on my wish list but I bought it. Then some Verified happened, so yes, I did happen to pick 2 lipsticks from Verified and वो भी पूछा था 2-4 लोगों ने कि have you tried the Verified, कब लोगे, कब रिव्यू करोगे. सो रिव्यू मैं करना चाहती हूँ लिपस्टिक्स को बट आई एम प्लानिंग टू बाय 2 more शेड्स. तो मैंने पहले 2 ही शेड्स लिए बट आई विल बी बाइंग 2 more एंड आज एक शेड मैं आपको पहन के दिखाऊंगी, तो पूरी वीडियो देखना. ओ माई गॉड, आई रियली लाइक द मैट, रियली लाइक द मैट. लाइक इतनी पिगमेंटेशन तो एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं थी. मतलब मुझे लग रहा था कि मे बी आई विल बी जस्ट प्रूवन रॉन्ग. नेक्स्ट टाइम आई एम जस्ट गोना गो इन विद अ शिमर बिकॉज मुझे सच में मेहनत करने का मन ही नहीं है आज. So I'm going to take a flat brush. एक शिमर लेंगे हम ब्रॉन्जी कॉपरी टाइप का. Oh my god, it's like oh my god. And girls, I must tell you, this is such a Indian festive everyday eyeshadow palette that I think you can get most out of it. The color story जो इस palette में है ना, you get more, बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ आएगा आपको ये palette. And you really don't need your fingers to put that shimmer. और बस हो गया. Such an easy eye look it was. You really don't have to do too much. I just love the shimmer. Oh my god, I have मुझे अपनी उंगलियां डालनी ही नहीं पड़ी पैन में टू गेट दैट पे ऑफ. सो hands down, MAC Cosmetic eyeshadow speaks out. Like worth every penny palette है ये. I must tell you, it's just wonderful and I don't have to put anything else now. So थोड़ा सा lower lash line भी कर लेते हैं so that the eye look is finished. So I'm going to take the same. Did I just happen to drop a brush? Yes, I did that. Let's pick up another brush. So I'm taking this BH Cosmetic number 2 brush and maybe I'll just take this deeper shade just to add a little wintry touch to the eye look. बहुत pigmented है. But lot of interesting launches happen नहीं. My MAC में तो बहुत interesting launches हुए and I must tell you Shreya Jain really did a good job with the launch. Like the kits she came out, like look at the affordability of those kits. Like I was amazed. Like it was so relatable. जबकि मैं MAC की लिपस्टिक खरीदती ही नहीं हूँ and I happen to buy one kit. Yes, I happen to buy one kit. So yes, it was so relatable and I was like, yes, these are some of the collaborations or campaigns which I would like to support. Like getting 3 full sizes lipstick in the price of only 1.5 lipstick. Like I didn't even pay like for 2 complete lipsticks. So I was really happy with this launch, I would say. Like I didn't get time कि मैं इस बारे में बात करती. तो पहले तो definitely 10 on 10 है ये वाला. तो थोड़ा सा brow bone भी कर ही लेते हैं इसी से. Inner corner highlight. अच्छा inner corner highlight हाँ कर सकते हैं हम. I'm using it for the first time. So as I was saying कि Shreya Jain did a really good job. Like she didn't get minis. She got full size lipstick and such a nice well done collaboration it was, and really happy. Like I'm looking forward for more such collaborations of Shreya Jain with MAC, because last year also she did it but I never paid attention, but this time when she did it I was like, no, this is definitely a steal deal and so many of us can try so much. So yes, it does make a lot of difference when you know content creators or influencers, when they have also started their journey from scratch और उन्होंने वो struggles देखे हैं मेकअप खरीदने के, न्यू चीज़ें ट्राई करने के, and when they reach a level where they can actually provide us with that at a much cheaper price or an affordable price, I will definitely give it to Shreya Jain. So I was really happy with the kits. Not every kit is made for me, but yes, one kit I happened to buy and I really liked it because I happened to try 3 different shades of lipstick and a little different formula. So yes, I did happen to grab. So look out for that haul video which I'm going to post next. So I finished doing my mascara as well as my kajal off camera. Sorry, I just got little lost and I just don't understand why my people who stay above me have to put things when I'm filming. You know the story, you know the drill, it happens all the time. So verified happened and I happened to pick up 2 shades. I will do a complete review and a swatch video once I pick up 2 more shades, because yes, I could have got 4 shades straight up, but then I wanted to try the formula. मैंने ये लिपस्टिक मेरे जाने से पहले, मेरे छुट्टी जाने से पहले खरीद ली थी and I started, नहीं मेरे भुवनेश्वर जाने से पहले खरीद ली थी and I started wearing them. I wore them, I carried one of the shades, I was wearing this shade there and I fell in love with it. I will be soon grabbing 2 more shades. So I'm confused in so many shades they have. They have so many lovely shades, I must tell you. But आज हम पहनेंगे इनका one of the hot sellings also, the shade called Boop. Oh my god, such a nice shade it is. Like this is a shade which I feel a lot of you are gonna love, and it is a very good shade made for summers, monsoon, springs and winters. This is not a shade made only for winters, and I really like the formula. You see the condition of this lipstick, like this is like a lipstick which I've been wearing constantly. So without any further ado, let's get to application. And another fun fact about this lipstick is the closing. I've never seen a lipstick like this. I must tell you how thoughtful it is. Like, it is just not a lipstick. It's like a complete package with so much of love, affection, and so much of thought process has gone. I'm still like, ऐसा बोलते हैं brands, but here you can actually visibly see it and experience it, like how thoughtful it is. So the formula is up notch. You can see it for yourself. No lip liner, full on application hai, pigmentation 10 on 10, smooths glidely. You can wear it underneath mask. I would not say that they would not transfer, but I'll tell you, after a sip of some sips, the lipstick doesn't transfer at all. Like, I don't see it transferring on my mask also. So yes, it is a wonderful formula. I have not a single formula which is closer to this one. So yes, it is definitely a different lipstick, a different formula, and a good concept. So this is how I look after opening my hair, though my hair has changed completely. ये एक और update है life की कि मैंने अपने बाल कटवा लिए हैं. So I have like only this length. मतलब बाल लंबे थे. I just chopped them. I needed a little change, and उस hairdresser ने बोला मैम थोड़ा चेंज चाहिए तो थोड़े बाल सैक्रिफाइस करने बोले. मैंने काट दो, नो प्रॉब्लम. ये हमारे खेत हैं, उग जाएंगे, नो प्रॉब्लम. So yes, Balbi, I just chopped it, and I did happen to shed a little bit of weight as well. So that is not something a major concern in my life. I really don't bother myself with it. मुझे ऐसा नहीं, oh my god, मुझे weight lose करना है, मुझे slim होना है. That's the last thing I look. I want to be healthy. That's the main point. It's not that I want to lose weight. So yes, but I happen to shed a little bit of weight also, so that is also a new update to you. You will definitely you would have noticed on my face as well. And yes, in between some of you commented also, so yes, I did happen to lose a little bit of weight. And apart from all this, there were a lot of things happening, exciting things. So I did happen to get a nice exciting gifts as well in between, which I will talk about in another video. I will try to show you all of the gifts which I received from my brother, my sister-in-law. All those things I'll show you in another video, because yes, I happen to get quite a few different things, and yes, I'm excited to show it to you guys and just share the happiness. And I hope you loved watching this interesting chatty video after the longest time. Everything will be listed and linked in my description, but look out for the upcoming haul video where I will be showing you a lot of interesting products which I happen to pick up in Black Friday, as well as I will try to show you my winter skincare routine as well. I hope you loved watching this one. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram. Till then, you take care, and I will see you in my next one.